Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access. The upper door seal strip is located here. To remove, unclip the seal from the top of the dishwasher. Unpackage your new upper door seal strip. To attach, the slot shown here on the rear of the upper door seal strip is what clips onto the dishwasher. Run the seal strip along the top of the dishwasher and click it into place. In the corners, make sure the seal is on top of the side seals. And that's it! Your new dishwasher upper door seal strip is all set to go.